This morning, Buba introduced me to some amazing spots. And thanks to her savage doggy trails, we ended up finding some birch polypores. And as the name says, they typically grow on birch trees. Usually, the bottom is white, so I'm guessing that it has been absorbing various materials that this tree had to get rid of. So this morning started with an unexpected victory of birch polypore hunting. But just look at how beautiful this mushroom is. A quick check with the expert, and if you're curious about how this adventure will unfold, feel free to follow us for more.